I first heard their music about 3 years ago when I was just finishing through my brother Paddy, who has always been interested in ethnic music and collected instruments since he was a kid, really. And he played me a tape, and I couldn't believe how beautiful it was. I listened to it all the time and thought how lovely it would be if perhaps on the next album I'd be able to somehow work with them, somehow incorporate their music with my own. So then we had to find out how to best approach it, so as not to just use them in the music for the sake of it, but to make the most of what they do, because what they do is so special. And really through a process of elimination, we decided the best thing to do was actually to go to Bulgaria to meet them and to work with them there, with their arranger, and work out the process there in Bulgaria. So we went over there last weekend, and we met for the first time. And we worked the whole weekend with their arranger Miko and Boromiro translating. And between us as a group, we actually pulled together all the work that we've been doing the last 2 days on the record.
Can you tell me, if you're working in a studio with Western musicians, normally, there's a common language, go back to the middle eight, cut, take two, whatever.
Yes.
Do you find the process more difficult, trickier, interesting when you actually have to go through everything through an interpreter?
It takes longer, maybe, to actually communicate. But in some ways, it's the most exciting communication I've ever had with musicians, because we can't communicate intellectually because we don't have the language. So we speak to each other emotionally, really. We sort of feel each other. That's what it feels like. This is a traditional song that Janka wanted me to sing with her. I just hold a drone underneath while Janka solos. Ava's shown me how to come in with her.
Музиката няма две системи. Музиката в цял свят минава без виза, без паспорт. Тя е международна. Това, че записахме с Кейт Буш, първо се гордея, че ние триото първо с нея записваме. Това е много голямо уважение и значение за нашето трио. Ние се справихме, нашите ритми в лицето на нашия композитор Димитър Пенев се справиха много добре с ритмите. И аз мисля, че Кейт Буш е доволна от нашето участие и не е случайно тя е избрала Трио Българка. Трио Българка пее народни песни, но се гордее с неговата музикалност, с неговото майсторство да умее да се справя с всички трудни задачи, които му се поставят в музикално отношение.
Святи ангел